Good morning, San Francisco.
Good morning!
I'm Tim Farnham with Black Label Real Estate, and this is your Monday morning market update.
In summary, availability is down by 18% and prices are up by 15% from this time last year. As of this morning, there were 1,240 homes available in San Francisco, down by around 74 from last week, but still less than 2 weeks ago. Contingent homes were down by 15 to 165, and new homes went up to 225 after the Memorial Day slowdown. In the condo market, we have 403 listings in the under $1 million segment and 536 in the over $1 million segment, which is up by 21 from last week in total. New listings are back up after the holiday weekend to 46 and 78 respectively. Price reductions decreased in the under $1 million segment to 25, but had a huge increase in the over $1 million segment to 35, which is over double what we had from last week. Pending listings are about the same with 98 in total. Days on market have been increasing and is now at 37 days in the under $1 million segment and 29 days in the over $1 million segment. In the single-family home market, listings were up to 31 homes in the under $1 million segment and to 153 homes in the $1 to $2 million segment. New homes were up by 4 to 8 in the under $1 million segment, but had a huge increase in the $1 to $2 million segment, up by 43 to 61 new homes. Price reductions are very low in these segments, with only 2 and 7 respectively. Sales price to list price was up by 2% in the under $1 million segment, yet was down by 5% in the $1 to $2 million segment to 119% of list price. In the luxury home market, there was a rebound in listings from the holiday weekend, up 11 to 14 in the under $3 million segment and up by 12 to 18 in the over $3 million segment. Surprisingly, price reductions were up to 8 in the over $3 million segment, composing 10% of the total listings. Additionally, the sales price to list price was down in both segments by 4 to 21% over ask in the under $3 million segment, and down by 2% to 9% over ask in the over $3 million segment. As for the buyer indicators, there was an increase in price reductions from 55 to 78, which is following the upward trend that started in April. This could very well be due to the slowing buyer enthusiasm. However, on average, we are still seeing the median days on market at under 2 weeks across all segments. Overall, listings were up from last week's holiday slowdown. However, buyers are still overwhelming the listings, but do seem to be holding back just a little bit on how zealous they are on getting these properties. We will be keeping an eye on this to see if this becomes a trend. Feel free to browse the listings in the descriptions if you're curious about what these homes look like in each segment. Again, thank you for joining me for this Monday morning market update. My goal is to keep you informed on market conditions and trends. Also, remember to subscribe to this channel to stay informed on these market conditions and trends. And as always, feel free to message me directly if you are curious about what your home is worth or wondering if buying into this market is the right move for you and your family.